Welcome back to CamClo 3D. Today, we're showing you something absolutely magical, our model swap feature. Swap the model in any photo, while keeping the garment, lighting, background, pose, all exactly the same. Let's see how you can transform an existing model image with just one click. First, head into the AI suite and click on Model Swap. Upload any existing product image, whether it's a modeled shot, a mannequin photo, or even a photoshoot image you already own. First, let's try the prompt-based swap. Just describe the kind of model you want. Skin tone, facial style, hairstyle, gender, expression, literally anything.
And generate!
Wow, look at that! New model, same outfit, same lighting, same pose. It's perfectly matched. Now let's go next level, our face reference swap. I'll upload a mannequin image this time to show you just how powerful this feature really is. With face reference, you can upload a real person's face, yours, your model's, your client's, and our AI will match it with 90 to 95% facial accuracy.
And just like before, generate! This is unreal! Same outfit, same pose, but now the model's face matches the reference almost perfectly. It looks like a real photo shoot with your exact model! And why stop at one? Create as many variations as you want. Every swap is sharp, consistent, and insanely realistic. And if you're ready to try this yourself, don't wait! Sign up now and get 10 free credits to start swapping models instantly.